storm. Winter storm.
Mount Vernon in light snow and 19. In Lancaster, cloudy and 24. At Newark, cloudy and 22. In Chillicothe, cloudy and 28. Cloudy and 22.
Pennsylvania Turnpike into the lower Hudson Valley and right across New England, including New York City. We'll have some change over here, but not before we pick up, I think, at least 3 inches of snow. Watch out for the ice tonight. That is becoming a little bit more of a problem as we see it, especially just to the east of St. Louis and Clinton. We've also got some freezing rain now being reported in Indianapolis. A couple of spotters there to the Weather Service have called in, and this looks like some pretty steady precip to the southwest of
1906. The low temperature so far today was 8 at 6 a.m. The normal low for today is 22. The record low for today is -19. Set in 1985. Precipitation since midnight has been 0. Snow depth at 7 a.m. was 1 inch. Sunset today is at 5:36 p.m. Sunrise tomorrow will be at 7:49 a.m. Sunset tomorrow will be at 5:38 p.m. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a winter storm warning for Hocking County for freezing rain and sleet, effective from 6 p.m. this evening to 11 a.m. Saturday. The winter weather advisory is no longer in effect. Freezing rain and sleet is expected with ice accumulations of around a quarter of an inch. A mix of freezing rain and sleet will develop early this evening. This will change over to all freezing rain and remain that way through much of the night. Some snow may mix back in as precipitation tapers off early Saturday morning. Hazardous travel conditions are expected due to reduced visibilities and ice accumulations. Remember, a winter storm warning means significant amounts of ice and sleet are expected. This will make travel very hazardous or impossible. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a winter storm warning for Clark, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene,